Hey there, stargazers, and welcome back to another episode of Secrets of the Stars. I am your host, Paranormal with Paul, aka Ray, and today I'm going to be delving into the intriguing world of interstellar objects, and one in particular, a mysterious visitor to this planet, and solar system, I should say, known as Oumuamua, or as the Hawaiian, that's what the Hawaiians called it because it was discovered in Hawaii and that. And this peculiar object captivated the attention of astronomers, I should say, sorry, of worldwide due to its unique characteristics and enigmatic origins. So it's an elongated shape like a cigar, and it has unexpected acceleration, like UFO speed acceleration, and it's left scientists scratching their heads. So I'm going to show you what the information there is about it, and well, I'm going to be delving into stuff. So let's explore on this episode of Secrets of the Stars, Oumuamua, or if you want to be technical, Oumuamua means a messenger from afar arriving first, as the Hawaiians like to talk. Like, it was discovered in 2017. So let's go and let's talk about it, shall we? So, Oumuamua. 2017, October 2017. Just picture you're looking out at stargazing and that in Hawaii at their observatory, and then all of a sudden you see something that catches your eye. You're like, "What's that in our system? What's that?" So then you're like, spend the next few minutes of like wondering if you've just missed some saw something or whatever, and then you like, no, I just seen something. So you look at it, you look at stuff, and then you think to yourself, "That's not from our solar system. So where is it from?" Well, NASA done an article about it. Boom, Oumuamua. There it is. So Oumuamua, there you go, is the first confirmed object from another star to visit our solar system. This interstellar interloper appears to be a rocky cigar-shaped object with a somewhat reddish hue. There you go. It means a messenger from afar, one first, like I said already in Orion. Oumuamua is up to 1/4 mile or 400 meters long and highly elongated, perhaps 10 times as long as it is wide. That aspect ratio is greater than that of any known asteroid or comet observed in our solar system to date. While its elongated shape is quite surprising and unlike any objects that have been seen in our solar system, it might provide new clues into how other solar systems were formed. And there it is. Yeah. Crazy. The observations suggest this unusual object had been wandering through the Milky Way, unattached to any star system, and hundreds of millions of years before its chance encounter with our star system. Immediately after its discovery, telescopes around the world, including ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile, were called into action to measure the object's orbit, brightness, and color. Urgency for viewing from ground-based telescopes was vital to get the best data. Combining the images from the FORS instrument on the ESO telescope, using 4 different filters at a time, with those of other large telescopes, a team of astronomers led by Karen Meach of the Institute of Institute for Astronomy in Hawaii found that Oumuamua varies in brightness by a factor of 10 as it spins on its axis every 7.3 hours. No known asteroid or comet from our solar system has varied so widely in brightness. With such a large ratio between length and width, the most elongated objects we have seen today are no more than 3 times longer than they are wide. Isn't that crazy, everyone? You know? There you go. Right in the center of right in the center of this image. It's surrounded by the trails of faint stars that are smeared as the telescopes track the moving comet. That's crazy. There you go. We also found there you go. We also found that it had a reddish color similar to objects in the outer solar system, and confirmed that it is completely inert, without the faintest hint of dust around it. These properties suggest that Oumuamua is dense, composed of rock and possibly metals, as no water or ice, and that its surface was reddened due to the effect of irradiation from cosmic rays over hundreds of millions of years. A few large ground-based telescopes continue to track the fading object as it receded from our planet. Two of NASA's space telescopes, Hubble and Spitzer, tracked this object, traveling about 85,700 miles an hour, which is equivalent to 38.3 kilometers a second, relative to the sun. Its outbound path is about 20 degrees above the plane of planets that orbit the sun. This object also passed Mars's orbit around November the 1st, and will pass Jupiter's orbit in May of 2018, which is already done. It will travel beyond Saturn's orbit in January 2019 as it leaves our solar system. Oumuamua will head for the constellation Pegasus. Note that, constellation Pegasus. Boom. No. There you go. Look. So I went out to Pegasus. That's the best one. No, it's, you know. I'll zoom in on it this sadly, but I might lose some of its thing. But yeah, out towards this constellation. That is crazy, isn't it, guys and girls? You know what I mean? Like, not seen anything like it, you know? This solar system. That's crazy. Preliminary orbital calculations suggest that the object came from the approximate direction of the bright star Vega in the northern constellation of Lyra. However, it took so long for this interstellar object to make the journey, even at the speed of about 59,000 miles an hour, that Vega was not near that position when the Oumuamua was there about 300,000 years ago. Astronomers estimate that an interstellar object similar to Oumuamua passes through the inner solar system about once a year, but they are faint and very hard to spot and have been missed until now. It is only recently that survey telescopes such as Pan-STARRS 1 are powerful enough to have a chance to discover them. And then Pasadena, California's Jet Propulsion Laboratory manager, Paul Childers, said, "What a fascinating discovery that is." No, this is. It's a strange visitor from a faraway star system, shaped like nothing we've ever seen in our own solar system neighborhood. There you go. The first known interstellar object to visit our solar system, it was there. Oumuamua was discovered on October the 19th, 2017 by the University of Hawaii's Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, funded by NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations Program, which finds and tracks asteroids and comets in Earth's neighborhood. While originally classified as a comet, observations revealed that no signs of cometary activity after its slingshot past the Sun on September the 9th, 2017, at a blistering speed of 196,000 miles an hour. It was briefly classified as an asteroid until new measurements found it was accelerating slightly, a sign it behaves more like a comet. And then our Oumuamua got its name. There you go. The Pan-STARRS team dubbed it this. That is crazy. Look. Hang on, let's just get that there. Look. So compared to this 9, no. And compared to, there you go, let's compare it to Eros. Look. It's crazy. And space.com done an article on this last year. Astronomers designated 1L or 1L Oumuamua with a 1L, referring to it being the first, or 1I, referring it to be, 1I Oumuamua, referring it to it being the first interstellar object discovered in our solar system. Though the name is now commonly shortened to Oumuamua. Astronomers have been waiting for a long time for an interstellar object like Oumuamua to come along, obviously, which is crazy, you know. For decades, we've theorized that such interstellar objects are out there, and now, for the first time, we have direct evidence they exist. Thomas Zarbuchen, NASA's Associate Administrator for Science, when it was discovered, said in 2017. Then 2 years later, in August 2019, a second interstellar object named 2I Borisov was found in the solar system. However, Borisov looked like a normal comet with a coma, the gaseous head around a comet's icy nucleus, and the tail. In comparison, Oumuamua was very unusual because it lacked a coma or a tail. Then there's more stuff. There's no evidence that Oumuamua was a spaceship. Leading theories involved a sublimation of either nitrogen or hydrogen ice. What made it interesting, obviously, there you go. Nobody knows which star system it originated from, but the year later, astronomers tracked Oumuamua, so a year after it coming and started going out, Oumuamua back along its path, astronomers tracked it, which it first approached the Sun, and found that the object passed near 4 stars, coming closest to the red dwarf star IP 3757, a million years ago. Yes, a million. Perhaps the Muramura came from there, or maybe it has been wandering space for much longer. Where's a Muramura now? Science didn't spot a Muramura until after it made it. So can they? So have they said where it is now? Nope. So, and if you don't know what it 3757 was, um, let's find it now for you guys. It was 3727, wasn't it? Could be no 3757, not 27. Geez, so there you go. Absolutely crazy. You know, like I'm not being disrespectful. It is just nuts. No, hang on. That's 3757. But yeah, there are two leading explanations for what Muamua could be. One from Alan Jackson and Steve Desch of Arizona State University that proposes that Muamua is a chunk of nitrogen ice. When New Horizons flew past Pluto back in 2015, it observed areas such as Sputnik Planitia that were essentially frozen nitrogen lakes, and it could be a fragment of that, and which is crazy. Could be like it's crazy that something like that could be. And then the University of California, Berkeley, um, um, Jennifer Bergner, and Cornell University's Daryl Seligman said that Oumuamua were traveling through interstellar space. Cosmic rays might have interacted with ice on the surface, liberating the hydrogen from some of the water molecules and creating a supply of hydrogen gas locked up in amorphous water ice. That could also be plausible, you know. And then there's a Q&A with David Trilling there, about stuff. But it's crazy and fascinating, you know. You know. There you go. Video on YouTube there. Yeah, obviously we know it's not from around here. Anything on here? Look, there you go. That's the path it came in. Came in from up there, down, and now it's gone that way. It is crazy how this stuff is still getting, you know. Yeah, well, obviously we know it's out of here. We'll probably come across it in when we've gone out in Monster Stars. Um, again, we know it's got a little speed boost. Yeah, obviously. We know it's tumbling. Look, they still don't know what it's made of. We don't know what it's doing now. There you go. Just said that. But we'll probably see another one, or we'll see a Muamua again when we're out Monster Stars. One day we'll see it again. I guarantee it. Like, it is nuts. You can't tell me that we're not going to see it again, you know? because I believe that we will. We're gonna see it one day. I know we will. We're gonna see this object again. But yeah, I'd recommend going and see more about it. Um, Obviously Reddit's had its say on it. That someone said that definitely aliens. They sent 1,000 of these craft to all near star systems. All the craft filled with knowledge about the secrets of the universe, free energy, and how to make zero carb cheesecakes that taste exactly like the real thing. See, someone just taking a piss there. Um, yeah, and then Avery loves thing about theory about it. There you go. This is what Avery Love says. Um, there you go. Um, he's an Harvard University astrophysicist. Um, has produced pioneering and prov- prov- provocative research on black holes, gamma ray bursts, the early universe, and other standard topics of his field. And that, but he basically said, yeah, um, where is it? There you go. There you go. That bit. I'm not gonna read it all, but Amura, I'm not being disrespectful. I'm gonna believe that we're gonna see that object again one day. Because that's too much of a coincidence that it's come into our orbit, gone out. We're gonna be studying it again. No doubt. Because we now know what we're looking for in terms of a Muramura and like objects, you know. No, you know what I mean? We're gonna see it one day. No doubt about it. Look, there you go. Constellation Pegasus. It's apparently in now. There you go. It won't come back here, but I believe we'll see it again when we're out amongst the stars. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Um, there you go. You'll reach Neptune late next month, apparently. And then in late 2025, Oumuamua will reach the outer edge of the Kuiper Belt and then the Helios pools, the edge of the solar system, in November 2038. So I believe we'll see it again when we're amongst the stars. It's nuts, though. 2017 that this was discovered. There's going to be more objects, like I said, there's going to be more objects about basically that are like Muramura, but we're not going to get a chance to doing. We're going to have more of a chance seeing them now because of these new telescopes. You know, Sorry for the string there. But yeah, um, it is crazy. Like, you know, look, see, like, so it's got something going on. Look, see, his origin. Look, apparently what they think, but I don't think it's like that. I don't know what it is, but there is something special about it, you know. And we'll soon discover it when we get amongst the stars more. Because I believe we'll see this object again one day. Here you go, look. There's a path he'll take. Look, he's coming here. Now it's going out and see there's Neptune. Well, go past it next month and then start going out. So you can't tell me that we're not going to see it again one day. We're like when we come out here and start traveling and finding planets to go and um liberate, basically. Look, that's a Muamua, the size of what it would be in a city. Looking like New York, I think. Look, there you go. Well, that's all Orpheus. Um, it is crazy. Look. So, what do you guys think? Do you think we'll see it again? Let me know. I'd be interested to know what your thoughts are. Also, if you're new around here, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. But like I said, I believe we're going to see this object again one day. No doubt about it. Um, there you go. Look, there's no doubt we're gonna see it again. I'm saying, and I keep saying it, but we're gonna see it one day again when we're out amongst the stars. Or we might even see it when we're like on a sending one of our blue, like orbit, like what you know, planetary blue things. Like Rover and that, when we went onto the Mars, I think we are going to see one of them. We're seeing one of them. Like when we go and seek life on other planets or out of the solar system, I believe we're going to go and encounter that very thing again one day. No doubt about it. What do you guys think? Like I said, let me know what you think. And do you think we're going to see it again? I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Like I said, this is much about you as it is about me. Giving you my thoughts. What are your thoughts? You know? But anyways, I'm going to leave this part here. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to me, please, because I would love to have you on board and part of my community going forward here. Thank you for watching. I've been Paranormal Ripples, and I'm signing off. Take care. Love and respect to you all, and have a very good night. Bye bye.